The purpose of this game, finding the K value, is all about seeing information in the table in a real-world context. When you have boxes that have apples in them, how many boxes do you need to fill with how many apples? So in this activity, you can see it in a table. We also provide you with an image to actually see per box how many apples there are. And then on a double number line, you can also see it to understand the table's relationship. The input X is boxes. There are 3 boxes. How many apples can fit in 3 boxes? It's 15. So I already can see there's a pattern, and it's shown here. It's also on the double number line. So in step 2, you might be given 5 boxes, and you have to figure out how many apples will fit into 5 boxes. Well, I can see here, if I put 5 here, number of boxes, how many apples will it be? Well, in here, I can see 15 is 5 times as much as 3. In here, I can see 3 times 5 is 15. So 5 times 5 is 25. When you do the check there, you'll see 5 boxes and 25 apples appear, and you will be correct. Then it might give you, but what about when you have 40 apples? How many boxes did it take? Here, if I have 40 apples, I'm looking at the relationship. It is 5, but in this case, instead of multiplying by 5, I could divide by 5 to get 8 boxes. I put in 8, I do the check, it'll show up. Then you push check for the whole problem, and you will have it correct. Ultimately, Y, the output, equals the K value, the proportionality constant, times X. So in this case, if the K value, K equals 5, 3 is the X value, 3 times 5 does equal the output of 15, and in fact, they all work this way. That's what you're learning in this activity. Level 2 goes the other way, where you're given a number of fruit or vegetable, and you got to figure out how many boxes it takes. So it's going to be a fraction. And then in level 3, it's the same ideas, but a little more complicated. Good luck, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions. Please head back to superteacherguide.com or superteachergames.com to play more games or to learn more math. Thanks.